Welcome to Zainab's Life Skills. Today we're gonna talk about using the oven. We use the oven to bake things like cookies, pizzas, and bread. We also use the oven to roast things like vegetables and meat. The oven is a useful tool but should be taken seriously because it can also be dangerous. Now let's talk about how to preheat. Before we use the oven, we must preheat it. Preheating an oven means to make it as hot as the baking temperature before we put the food that we are baking inside. It is safe to assume an oven will need approximately 15 minutes to preheat. Always check to make sure an oven is empty before you turn it on to preheat it. Important to remember to turn your oven off when you're done using it. Always use oven mitts or dry towels when removing something from the oven. The oven is hot and everything that comes out of the oven will also be hot. If you use towels to remove something from the oven, make sure that they are dry and large enough to cover your entire hands from the hot dish. Not all dishes can be put in an oven. One of the best and easiest ways to know if a pan can be put in the oven is to turn it over and check the bottom of it. Many pans may say something like oven safe or do not use in oven. Remember this, never put anything made of plastic like a plastic plate or a pan with a plastic handle in the oven because it will melt. Do not put a cold glass dish into a hot oven. It will break. Do not put paper towel or wax paper into the oven. It can start a fire or melt. Parchment paper is okay to put in the oven. That's it for today. Thank you for listening.